Drawing from the spirit of innovation born at two of aviation's oldest airfields, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base continues to serve as the center for aerospace advancement. The research, development, and testing that happens here ensures the unquestioned dominance of the United States Air Force in the skies across the world. Located near Dayton, Ohio, the base is the largest single-site employer in the state, generating a regional impact of more than $4 billion per year. Wright-Patt's highly specialized workforce of more than 27,000 military, civilian, and contractor employees provide vital support to ensure airmen and joint warfighters have modernized systems needed to fly, fight, and win in air, space, and cyberspace. The base is the home of the Air Force Materiel Command Headquarters. AFMC directly controls approximately 30% of the Air Force's budget and manages the research, development, acquisition, test, and logistics services that keep the Air Force weapons systems and warfighters ready for combat. Also headquartered at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base are two of AFMC's product centers, the Air Force Lifecycle Management Center and the Air Force Research Laboratory. The Air Force Lifecycle Management Center is responsible for cradle-to-grave management of all aircraft, engines, munitions, and electronic systems. Equally important, the Air Force Research Laboratory is the Air Force's only organization dedicated to leading discovery, development, and integration of warfighter technologies and human performance. The Air Force Institute of Technology is the Air Force's graduate school of engineering and management and contributes defense-focused research to sustain our Air and Space Force's technological supremacy. Similarly, the National Air and Space Intelligence Center is the DoD's primary source for countering foreign air and space threats. NASIC's analysis and intelligence enables safer joint operations and more effective Air Force systems. The co-location of these four organizations on Wright-Patt, LCMC, AFRL, AFIT, and NASIC creates a unique, unmatched synergy. NASIC employs innovative analysis to develop intel products. AFRL develops the technologies, LCMC acquires, fields, and sustains those technologies, and AFIT develops airmen to enable those three missions. The Air Force Reserve Command's 445th Airlift Wing employs the C-17 Globemaster III aircraft to transport supplies and equipment around the globe. The wing is composed of an aerospace medicine squadron, aeromedical staging squadron, and 3 attached groups encompassing maintenance, operations, and mission support. The National Museum of the United States Air Force is the largest and oldest military aviation museum in the world. More than 1 million visitors a year come to marvel at over 360 aerospace vehicles and missiles amid its 17 acres of indoor exhibit space. The foundation of support for all these organizations is the 88th Air Base Wing. With the motto, "Strength through Support," more than 5,000 airmen execute an incredible mission, serving and supporting the heritage and history of our Air Force, as well as the future of aviation. Rated #1 for quality of life by Air Force Times, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base is committed to providing a positive work environment, consistent with Air Force values, strengthening the workplace, and sustaining the base's ability to deliver world-class capabilities for the United States Air Force. Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, the Air Force's